the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot.
These girls that say oxides are wrong, it's actually
I am Honda Onaka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on the fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Oh, Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the Resistance will get the supplies they need, and maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Let's prepare and your mission.
Yeah, so you're gonna head right over here. You're gonna head all.
To the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions,
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Left pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot? You won't be able to steer with it. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No, gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. That cargo is breaking. Keep shooting! Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of there. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough. All right, I am making an executive decision.